Good morning, students. Let us review trigonometric ratios table. Sine of 0 degrees is equal to 0. Sine of 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. Sine of 45 degrees is equal to 1 over square root of 2. Sine of 60 degrees is equal to square root of 3 by 2. Sine of 90 degrees is equal to 1. Cosine of 0 degrees is equal to 1. Cosine of 30 degrees is equal to square root of 3 by 2. Cosine of 45 degrees is equal to 1 over square root of 2. Cosine of 60 degrees is equal to 1 over 2. Cosine of 90 degrees is equal to 0. Tangent of 0 degrees is equal to sine over cosine, that is 0 over 1 is equal to 0. Tangent of 30 degrees is equal to sine of 30 over cosine of 30. 1 over 2 over square root of 3 by 2. It comes to be 1 over square root of 3. Tangent of 45 degrees is equal to sine of 45 degrees over cosine of 45 degrees. Same number divided by same number, answer comes to be 1. Tangent of 60 degrees is equal to sine of 60 degrees over cosine of 60 degrees. That is square root of 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 cancelled with 2, square root of 3. Tangent of 90 degrees is equal to sine of 90 over cosine of 90. That is 1 over 0. Any number divided by 0, answer is infinity. Now let us move to question 1, part 1. In right triangle ABC, measurement of side AB is equal to 4 centimeters. Measurement of angle A is equal to 30 degrees. Measurement of angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Find the value of X, that is measurement of side BC, and find the value of measurement of side AC, that is Z. First of all, you see in right angle triangle, ABC, cosine of 30 degrees is equal to base, that is AB, over hypotenuse. Cosine of 30 degrees is equal to square root of 3 by 2. AB is equal to 4 centimeters. Over AC is Z. By cross multiplying, square root of 3Z is equal to 4 2s are 8. Z is equal to, dividing both sides by square root of 3, 8 over square root of 3 centimeters. Now let us find the value of X. Again, in right angle triangle ABC, tangent of 30 degrees perpendicular over base. Tangent of 30 degrees is 1 over square root of 3. That is putting the value of tangent of 30 degrees. Measurement of BC, x over AB, 4. Multiplying both sides by 4, x is equal to 4 over square root of 3 centimeters. Therefore, x is equal to 4 over square root of 3 centimeters and z is equal to 8 over square root of 3 centimeters. Let us do part 2. Given triangle ABC, right angle triangle, measurement of BC is equal to square root of 3 centimeter. Measurement of angle A is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 in degrees, pi 180 degrees. Pi is equal to 180 degrees over 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20. So, 1 pi by 4 is equal to 45 degrees. And measurement of angle B is 90 degrees. So, it is a right angle triangle. First of all, collection of data. Measurement of BC is equal to square root of 3 centimeter. Measure of angle A is equal to 45 degrees. Measure of angle B is equal to 90 degrees. We have to find out x and z. X and z. Now students, in right angle triangle, right angled triangle ABC, sine of 45 degrees is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Measurement of BC, which is perpendicular, over AC, which is hypotenuse. Now students, what is the value of sine of 45 degrees? Look at the table. Sine of 45 degrees is equal to 1 over square root of 2. Putting the value 1 over square root of 2 is equal to BC is equal to square root of 3 and AC is equal to Z. By cross multiplying, you can see Z is equal to square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 2. Square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 2. So, Z is equal to 3 2s are 6, square root of 6 centimeters. Here is the value of Z. Now we will find the value of X. We can say tangent of 45 degrees. Tangent of 45 degrees is equal to perpendicular over base. Perpendicular is BC over base, perpendicular over base. Base is AB. Tangent of 45 degrees. Tangent 45 degrees, value is 1. So putting the value tangent of 45, 1. BC, square root of 3. AB, x. By cross multiplying, x is equal to square root of 3 centimeters. Therefore, x is equal to square root of 3 centimeters and z is equal to square root of 6 centimeters. Given triangle, right angle triangle ABC, measurement of AC 2 centimeters, measurement of angle C 60 degrees, measurement of angle B 90 degrees. We want to find out X and Y. In right angle triangle ABC, triangle ABC, sine of 60 degrees is equal to, sine of 60 degrees is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular over hypotenuse. Sine of 60 degrees, sine 60 degrees, the value is square root of 3 by 2. AB, Y, AC 2 centimeters. Here you can say multiplying both sides by 2. Multiplying both sides by 2, it will become 2 into square root of 3 over 2. Here when you multiply by 2, it will become y. So y is equal to square root of 3 centimeters. Again in right angle triangle ABC, tangent of 60 degrees is equal to perpendicular over base. Tangent of 60 degrees, value is square root of 3. Putting the value AB, Y, Y over BC, X. Now putting the value of Y, which is equal to square root of 3. So put the value. By cross multiplying, square root of 3x is equal to square root of 3. Dividing both sides by square root of 3, here it will become x is equal to square root of 3 over square root of 3. X is equal to same number divided by same number, answer is 1 centimeters. Question 1, part 4. Given triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle, measurement of side AB is equal to 4 centimeters. Measurement of angle A is equal to 45 degrees. Measurement of angle B is 90 degrees. X and Z are to be found. You see, in right angle triangle ABC, in right angled triangle ABC, cosine of 45 degrees. Cosine of 45 degrees is equal to base over hypotenuse. Base over hypotenuse. AB over AC. Cosine of 45 degrees, cosine 45 degrees, value is 1 over square root of 2. AB is equal to 4 centimeters. AC Z. By cross multiplying, Z1s are Z, 4 into 4 multiplied by square root of 2. So this is value of Z, centimeters. Now again in right angle triangle ABC, tangent of 45 degrees. Look at tangent of 45 degrees, which is perpendicular over base. BC over AB. What is the value of tangent of 45 degrees? Tangent 45 degrees 1. Putting the value of tangent of 45 degrees, which is 1. BC is x over AB, which is 4. Multiplying both sides by 4, 4 ones are 4, x is equal to 4 centimeters. Therefore, x is equal to 4 centimeters and z is equal to 4 into square root of 2 centimeters.